Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to upload folder in Google Drive. Okay, so you can easily upload folder in Google Drive. I'm going to show in my desktop, but you can use if you're using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same step. Okay, so here first log in with your Gmail. I'm going to show. I'm showing you from beginning so everyone can know easily, can understand easily. So first log in with your Gmail. Now go to this three dot option and okay, so my internet is gone. I need to refresh. Okay, so it is refreshing now. Just wait few seconds. So okay, so now go to this dot option and go to the Google Drive. Click on Google Drive, then Google Drive will be open in next tab. Now you can see there is a folder I have already created or upload. So if you want to upload folder, you can click on new and click on upload folder. Just click on it. Now the browser will be open and now you have to find the folder which you want to upload. So you can see there is a many folder. You can see, just select the folder and just click on upload. So folder will be upload in your Google Drive. Okay, so this folder is uploading. Okay, so this is folder which I upload, which call image to text. This is folder I just upload. Okay, so you can go and check in recent tab to recently upload photos or folder. Okay, so here you can see you can also create a new folder on Google Drive. Just click on folder and create like new folder or any name you can enter. Just create, then folder will be create and just open it, and you can upload any file or folder into this folder also. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.